Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about shear force and bending moment. Let's get through the definition of shear force. Here, here is the definition. Shear force at any section of beam may be defined as the algebraic sum of transverse load including vertical reaction either left hand side or right hand side. It means that the shear force she- the algebraic sum of all the verticals means the load which are acting on the beam vertically and and then the reaction which are acting due to these vertical force, these vertical load, all the together sum of all these load and vertical reaction is known as shear force. And then after, bending momentum. Bending momentum of beam may be defined as the algebraic sum of momentum caused by transverse load. It means that the consider let us imagine any beam. When you apply a load a load a a load on a beam, then it tends to be bent. The beam tends to be bent and including couple concentrated couple acting left hand side and left hand side. And when you apply load to the beam, they tends to be bent. These bending action on a beam is in this some of these bending action on a beam is known as bending momentum. Let's go through the type of support. There are mainly four types of support. There are roller support, hinge support, fixed support, guided roller support. First of all, we discuss about the roller support. What do you mean roller support? Roller support means the support which which at the lower end there is a wheel at their base, and they are movable on at some extent, at little bit. In this we got a vertical reaction, and in this case uh, we get only one reaction. Another that hinge support means it cannot be moved. There is we get in this case we get two reactions. There is horizontal reaction and vertical reaction. And then after fixed support we get three types of reaction: vertical reaction, horizontal reaction, and momentum also. And then after, types of beam. First of all, definition of beam. Beam is a horizontal member which is always subjected to transverse or vertical load. And types of beam. There are mainly five types of beam we discuss: simply supported beam, cantilever beam, overhanging beam, propped cantilever beam, and continuous beam. Simply supported means at the end there is a hinge support and roller support. And cantilever beam, there is a its one end is fixed. In cantilever beam, its one end the beam of one end is fixed. Overhanging beam, there is there is a free portion uh, at the both end. It is known as overhanging beam. Propped cantilever beam. Propped cantilever means is one side is fixed support, and on other side is uh, roller support. And continuous beam means there is more than two types of support. And let's we discuss about load. Point load means load. Consider load is acting on a beam. This type of load, such as any load which acting at a single point, is known as point load. And then after, uniformly distributed load. Uniformly distributed means a load, a same types of load acting every point throughout the beam. This type of support is known as uniformly distributed load. And uniformly varying load. Uniformly varying load deals with a load which are varied at every step of at each every step of beam. This type of beam this type of load is known as uniformly varying load.